Assalamu alaikum. How are you children? Have you done your previous work? Work number 6? Yes. If you have not done, please complete it. Okay? Today we are going to do work number 7. Right? You have to write it on the books every time. Okay? One more thing which I want to tell you, that from 3rd of May you will have your tests. In the morning we will send you revision video. You will watch that video and after that you will do your test. You have to do your test independently. Right? Don't take help from your mama or from your siblings. Okay. Now look here children. Today we are going to do our work. Everyone has to read this question, because when you will read the question, then you will understand what you have to do. Look here. Now everyone, this is page number 23, right? Now read it with me. What number does the abacus show? Okay. Now see children, how we have to find the number. See, this is for tens and this is for ones. Now see, how many tens are here? 1, 2, 3. 3 tens. We will write in the box. 3 tens. And how many ones are here? Yes, no one. So it means if there is no any number, it means there is 0. So 3 tens and 0 ones. Okay? 3 tens and 0 ones is 30. Now look here. How many tens are here? Start counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right? 7 tens we will write in this block. And how many ones? No one. It means 0 ones. 7 tens and 0 ones. Right? You have to write its answer in the block. Now come to next question. It was question number 5. And now it is question number 6. Right? So look here. What is the question? Read it. Draw beads. These are beads. Right? Draw beads on the abacus to show the numbers. Write in the box. First we will draw the beads over here. Right? And then we will write the number in the block. So look here, for tens we will use green, you will use green color, and for ones you will use red color. Okay, now look here, 40 is written under this, and how many tens are here? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 tens and how many ones? 0 ones. So 4 tens and 0 ones is 40. F-O-R-T-Y, 40. Remember, we will not write F-O-U-R-T-Y. Right? This is wrong. F-O-R-T-Y, 40. Okay? Now, next, here we are going to draw the beads. What is it? What is this? Can you read? Yes, 20. For 20, how many tens we will draw here? We will take green color. See, 1, 2. 2 tens are in 20. And how many ones are here? No one. So it means 2 tens and 0 ones. 2 tens and 0 ones is 20. And it is written like this, 20. Okay children? So in this way, you have to do this page number 23. Do it in neat handwriting. Alright. Now we have done page number 23. We are coming to page number 24. Again children, you have to read question very carefully with me. Okay? Because through question you can understand what work you have to do. Now, read it. Yes? Good. How many tens in the given numbers? Now, see, the number is here and you have to find the tens. Right? See, look here. This is tens and ones. Tens and ones. Right? So, see, how many tens are here? 4 tens. They are asking us about only tens. They are not asking us about ones. So you just have to write tens. How many tens are here? 4 tens. It means in 40 there are 4 tens. So in 30 there are 3 tens. Like look here. In 30 there are 3 tens. In 50 there are, yes, 5 tens. In 80 there are 8 tens, right? So in this way, look here, in 60, right, there are 6 tens. Very good children. Star for you. Okay, now look here. Now this is our next question. Question number 8. Again you have to read the question very carefully. When you will read the question, then you will be able to do your sum, right? Okay. Write in tens and ones. See how we have to write in tens and ones? 20. And in this here, look, we have written 2 tens and 0 ones, right? So like this, it is 30. Tell me 3 tens, look here, 3 tens and 0 ones. 3 tens and 0 ones. So it becomes 30, right? 3 tens and 0 ones, 30. And 30 is 3 tens and 0 ones. Now like this, it is 70. Now you will tell me. Yes, children, say it, come on. Yes. 7 tens and 0 ones. Very good children. Is it easy? I think it's very easy and interesting also. Sometimes you have to write numbers and sometimes you have to write in tens and ones. For this, you have to read the question, right? Okay, now this is question number 9. Write the missing word. Now what is word? Word is like writing words, number, name, okay? So look here, it is, first one has been done. 2 tens, 0 ones. See, it's not written in numbers. It is numbers and it is words, right? See, it is written in words and here we have to write it in words. So look here. Read it. 4 tens, 0 ones is 40. 4 tens and 0 ones is 40. How we will write 40? Come on, tell me spellings. Yes. F-O-U-R-T-Y. No, you will not come here. F-O-R-T-Y. 40. Right? This is not 40. This is 40. F-O-R-T-Y. 40. Next, 7 tens, 0 ones. Now 7 tens and 0 ones is 80? No. Then 70. 70. Should we write it like write it like this. We will write it in numbers 70. SEVENTY, 70. Right, children? Very good. So, in this way you will do page number 24. Now, children, we are going to do page number 25. Everyone open this page. Yes. This is very interesting, and the simple counting is here. Look here. Question number 10. Count in tens and complete the number chain. Chain means the thing which link with the other thing, right? So look here. This is 10. And after 10, will we write 11? No. Because we have to count in tens. So what is the counting in tens? Yes, some children are saying 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Yes, I know. Okay, so look here. Now 10 and then 20 and then 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 and the last is 100. Right? So in this way you have to write all the tens here. Now come to next question. Question number 11. Start with 5 and count and then write in tens. Okay? Children, look here. This is also counting in tens. But here we have to start from 5. Okay. Now we will take the jump of 10. Okay. We will start from 5 and count till 15. There is the jump of 10. Right. See. Again there is the jump of 10. Look. 5. Now we have to count till 10. See. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Right? 15 is over here. Again we will take the jump of 5. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. So, here we will write 25. Now we will count in tens. Right? Now from 25. See, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34 and 35. So look here, it is 35. Now 35, again we will count in tens. 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. So children, in this way you will count every next 10 and you have to complete these numbers yourself. Right? Okay. Alright. Now we are going to do the most interesting work, 26. Page number 26. Children, this is very interesting. See, there are some blocks and this is like a chain. So first of all, the thing, you will read the question, because only through question we can understand what is the thing they are asking us, right? So write the missing numbers. What is the question? Write the missing numbers. Okay children, this is the chain of tens. See, it is like a chain and we have to complete it till this number. It will go till many other numbers, but we have to complete it till the given number, right? So look here, 10, 20 and then 30, 40 and then 50, and then 60, 70, 80, 90. Okay, it was simple counting in tens, but here it is changed. It is, see again, 2, 12, 22. It means, children, look here, it is only ones and it is tens and ones, tens and ones. See which thing is changing. 2, 2, 2. Ones are same. Ones are not going to change. Okay? See, everywhere ones are same. So it means we have to change only tens. We will take the jump of tens. Now see. Now no need to count on the fingers. That was the first step that we did on the counting in tens. Okay. But here we will take the jump of tens because we know all the jump of tens, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, right? So see, our tens is same 2, 1 10 and 2 ones here is 12 and then 2 tens and 2 ones. Now see, we will change this tens. What comes after 2 tens? 3 tens. 3 tens and this ones will remain same. 3 tens and 2 ones. Right? No need to count in tens. You will just change the tens because the ones are same. Now, after 3 tens, what comes? 4 tens. And this ones will remain same. 4 tens and 2 ones is 42. See, this is after 4, 5. So, it is right. And 2 ones is 2 ones. After 42, this is 52. Okay. Now, yes, I can hear your voices. Okay. After 5, it is 6. 6 tens and ones will remain same. 6 tens and 2 ones. Good. Easy, children. Now, after 6 tens, again we will change its tens only. 6 tens and then 7 tens. And ones will remain same. 7 tens and 2 ones. And then the last is done. Okay, children. Easy? Remember, you just have to change the tens in the jump of tens. Ones will remain same. Okay? Now, children, I have done A and B part. Now you have to complete A, B, C, D and E parts of this page number 26. And children, please you have to complete your all the previous work. If any work is missing, please do it and complete it because we have to check your work. Okay? Okay, children. Allah Hafiz.